we see effect of temperature. Now next is temperature and moisture. The combining effect of temperature with moisture, it adversely affects the living organisms. The temperature exerts more severe limiting effect on organisms when moisture is either very high or very low than when it is moderate. If moisture is either high or very low, then the temperature it adversely affects the living organisms. Then when similarly moisture plays very critical role in extremes of temperature. If extreme temperature is present and moisture is also present in high, then it adversely affects the living organism. It is also effect of temperature and moisture on the organisms. And moisture present in surrounding as well as moisture of that organism. Then next, effect of temperature on animal behavior and structure. Temperature also affects behavior of various animals. The animals change their behavior according to increase or decrease in the temperature. We'll see some. The directive effect of temperature, it influences the animal behavior to a considerable extent. Certain animals may be positive to one stimulus at one temperature and they will be negative to same stimulus at different temperatures. Okay. When certain organisms they require heat in winter season, okay, and if temperature changes, okay, surrounding temperature changes, if surrounding temperature of summer, then in that summer same stimulus external heat does not require, the animals become negative to that stimulus if temperature changes. Okay. In this also the behavior of organisms or animals changes according to change in the temperature. The temperature change are also known to affect various structural changes in the organisms or animals. We'll see one example. The color pattern in many insects, it can be induced or changed by regulating temperature under which they develop. Many of differences in color patterns of animals of same species living in different environments may be different, and that is also effect of temperature on animals. Okay. Now we will see some other effects of temperature. If extreme, the effect of temperature, it may be lethal. We know if extreme temperature increases, the animal's death can be occurred. That is called as lethal. It has been found in Drosophila that temperature may affect the mechanism of heredity and its positions of genes and behavior of chromosome. In Drosophila, when external temperature or environmental temperature increases, it affects its behavior of chromosome, heredity of or mechanism of heredity is also affected in the Drosophila. Then certain mutations also occur as there is increase in the temperature. It is also another effect of temperature. Mutations in genes may be occur. Fishes living in cold area or cold waters, they have more number of vertebrae than which live in warm water. It is also an effect of environment, and that effect is called as Jordan's effect or Jordan's rule. Then temperature also induces several other structural modifications in animals. Okay, these are the various other effects of temperature on organisms. And then effect of cold, heat and lethal temperature. Effect of cold, heat and lethal temperatures. It is also major effect that induces or that affects various organisms, animals. We will see. Every living organism has its thermal tolerance. The thermal tolerance is not same in all living organisms. It changes according to species to species. They can tolerate extreme temperatures only to a limited extent, and beyond that extent, death of that organism may occur. Even with a slow or very gradual changes in temperature, when the temperature reaches to absolute upper lethal limit for particular animals, beyond which it cannot adjust to further increases. Therefore, animals have two temperatures: absolute upper lethal limit, absolute upper lethal limit, and same way they have absolute lower lethal limit of temperature. Okay. If temperature increases beyond absolute upper lethal limit, then it results into death of that animal. If temperature lowers below absolute lower lethal limit, then also death of organism occurs. A few group of invertebrates such as rotifers and nematodes, they may pass into a resting stage after or beyond that absolute lethal limit of temperature. As the temperature of organism decreases, we know the metabolic rate or metabolism, it slows down. Its rate is slows down. The oxygen consumption goes down or lowers. Then movement of animals also becomes slower, and animal becomes lethargic or torpid. And this state of cold torpid, we know it is poikilotherms or poikilothermic organisms like Pisces, etc. And because of this, the poikilothermic organisms, they pass their winter at high latitudes, and it is called as hibernation. Then further cooling may be fatal. Fatal means lethal, death can occur, but the degree of cooling that can be tolerated is extremely variable. Now some organisms, when they are kept under unfavorable temperatures for a long time, these all organisms, including insects, they are killed. The death occurs at sub-zero temperature because of freezing of body tissue. What happens at sub-zero temperatures? All animals, they undergo death because of freezing of tissue. Freezing of tissue, it causes ultimate death of that animal. Okay, that we know. The freezing point of most insect, it lies between minus 10 degree to minus 2 degrees centigrade. And it is observed that when such cold hardy insect, okay, that concept is called as cold hardiness. Such cold hardiness insects, they are cooled or chilled below 0 degree. The body tissues do not freeze immediately, but they are super cooled. Okay, below 0 degree centigrade, they are called as super cooled. Their tissues does not freeze, they can survive up to short duration or some certain duration, and such phenomenon is called as cold hardiness, and it is a quality of insect in cold region to resist the freezing at sub-zero temperatures in the regions of earth where temperature goes beyond 0 degree, and they can survive in that conditions only because of their cold hardiness. Okay. In opposite, some insects are heat hardiness. Okay, heat hardiness is opposite mechanism of cold hardiness. Now, in these cold hardiness or cold hardened insects, they undergo supercooling. That supercooling is very important, and some organisms may survive up to minus 23 degree to minus 30 degree centigrade. It is only because of that cold hardiness ability of insects. Now, when the organisms are exposed to higher temperature or lethal high temperature, absolute upper lethal temperature, these organisms may be killed instantaneously they are killed, or few of them survive for some time. Then these or their death changes or death rate changes according to the season. Okay, estivation may undergo in these conditions. At high body temperature, they adapt in a warm climate. Many tropical mammals, they are genetically adapted to heat. Heat hardiness is quality of animals in hot region to resist heating beyond its normal body temperature without serious effects or without any heat shocks, and death is avoided because of that heat hardiness. The desert insects and mammals, these are the best examples of heat hardiness. Camel is best example of heat hardiness. It can survive up to temperatures 42 degrees centigrade or beyond that. Okay, all these are the effects of cold heat because of the lethal temperatures. Okay, this way we had completed very important abiotic environmental factor, temperature.